There's nothing more exciting than that big brown box at the front doorstep. Lee press-on nails for your truck. It's fired up. All right, guys, I've been wanting to do this for 2 days straight, but it's been raining. Finally. That is much better. I always pick the worst times to do this, you know that? Anyways, this has 3M stick tape on it, and the first thing I always like to do is just really work it in there, push it. Make sure it's really stuck on there. Look at that, you can't tell me that's not sweet. That is literally a lead press-on nail for a truck. It's gonna look so much better. So this being dull has always bothered me. I mean, you could armor all it, you can, you know, I have stuff that I like to use called coverall. Stuff is awesome, but it's hard to find. So after putting coverall on it, or whatever you particularly like, your brand, you know, it looks dull again after about a week and a half. So you got to keep doing it and doing it and doing it. And I always liked just the overall gloss of mirrors and the handles. By the way, I got the handles too. And I think it just looks much nicer. And I think it was like $68 for the set of all of it. So let's give it a shot, see what it looks like after we're done. So first thing you're always going to want to do, put some alcohol on this. That way you can clean off all the crap. It's like dead bugs on here. Look at that. Whew. Look how dull that looks now. All right, so let's peel off the tape. Oh, come on. It's definitely hot today. All right, here it is. And then just pop it on. Just rub her in. I mean, even with my fingerprints on it, that still looks better. Dang, that is sweet. Now let's hope the tape holds up. Let's do the other side. This is one of those things you're not going to need any tools for. Just some alcohol, paper towel. Actually, probably what I should be using is a microfiber cloth instead. But I'm just too excited. This has been bothering me. That's the little things, right? I don't know. It's been bothering me ever since I bought the truck. I'm not really a big chrome guy, so this was a good alternative for me, although they do make this in chrome. So if you are a chrome guy and your mirrors and your door handles are black, then you could get it in chrome also. Disgusting. All right, let's grab the next one. All right, same thing. Let's just push this puppy in. Make sure it's stuck real good. So I'll probably end up doing a review on these. I don't know, maybe 3 months, 6 months, just to see how it's holding up. If you guys are interested in something like that. If not, let me know. Say, dude, Adam, this is boring. Don't make stuff like this. And then I won't. Oh yeah. Worker in. Get it. Get it. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see this, but can you see all that pollen? Ugh. What does that look like on camera?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, subscribe. Or, I don't know, it'll be somewhere. There's no... Already right off the bat.